Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and I want to show you how to change audio balance on this device. Start off opening settings application. In it, we must choose our accessibility option and their audio adjustment, which is in our hearing, and there scroll when there we have our audio adjustment about our audio balance with connected audio and phone speakers, and we can change it easily. Tap to the left, to the right, or to the middle, and the same with phone speaker. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.